Step 1. Left-click Start button. Left-click Settings. Left-click Ease of Access. Step 2. Left-click Magnifier. In Magnifier, left-click on or off. To use Magnifier or not, press Windows key, and then press +2 on Magnifier N. To increase zoom +100%, press Windows key, and then press. To decrease zoom -100%, press Windows key, and then press ESC. To off Magnifier. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.